One wrong move in the tub could create a lethal chain reaction, sending over 100 rattlesnakes into a biting frenzy impossible to survive.
What is up, you guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm your host Ayman Hassan and welcome back to another video. Was it just me or did everyone have one of those huge Guinness Book of World Record books at home? I think I had at least 3 of those heavy ass books and I used to spend hours as a kid just reading them and just being amazed. I always wanted to break a record myself, but then I realized it required significant time, effort and commitment, and I wasn't going to spend all that time bouncing a ball on a table tennis racket my whole life just to break the record. Was I now? No. Now, I may not have amounted to a record breaker, but these people did, and extraordinarily so. These are the top 10 scary world records you won't believe. Starting us off with number 10 is Jackie Bibby. This Texan man held the most live rattlesnakes in his mouth at once. I didn't even know that was a record you could break. Jackie Bibby is known for his rattlesnake roundups, but no one would ever suspect someone to pull a stunt like this out of the blue. This is crazy. Now, it's an unusual hobby to most people, but he loves to perform and tour with his gang of venomous rattlesnakes. And I mean, to each their own, really. We don't judge here at Top 10, do you? And he's been performing for more than 50 years with hundreds of thousands of snakes and has only been bitten a dozen times, which honestly isn't that much given the sheer number of snakes he's performed with. But those bites never stopped him from earning 5 Guinness World Records, one of which being back in 2006 when he felt the need to put live venomous snakes inside his mouth. They call him the Texas Snake Man after he held 10 Western Diamondback rattlesnakes for 12.5 seconds and set the new record. Hopefully there's no one out there trying to beat it, but if you are, please video it, because I'd like to see. Coming in at number 9 is Kim Goodman, and she broke the record for the furthest a person could pop out their eyes. Which honestly, again, I did not know was a thing or that people could even pop their eyes out. Believe it or not, they've actually held live contests where people compete on how far they can pop out their eyeballs. A woman named Kim Goodman set the record on November 2nd, 2007 when she popped her eyes out 12mm beyond her eye socket. And you're probably wondering how on earth they measure how far their eyes are popped out from the socket. Believe me, I'm sure we all are. Turns out measuring the pop is an exact science that has to be done by an optometrist using a special device known as a proptometer. They measure it 3 times and the average gives the final answer. This isn't a skill that everyone can do. Some people are born with proptosis, which is eyeball displacement or bulging eyes. Kim says she actually discovered her talent when she was hit on the head with a hockey mask, and then she taught herself just how to pop them out on cue. What a good party trick. At number 8 we have the largest collection of haunted dolls. I'm not sure who would want to be this record holder, but I have mentioned the story in previous videos. The world's largest collection of haunted dolls can be found on Mexico's Island of the Dolls, also known as La Isla de las Muñecas. It's located south of Mexico City, buried within canals, and has thousands of broken and mutilated dolls hanging from every tree or bush in sight. The collection began when a man called Don Julian Santana Barrera moved there during the 1950s. He claimed that he was being haunted by the ghost of a young girl who had drowned in one of the canals. His way of subduing her spirit was to start placing dolls all around the island. Coincidentally, he ended up passing away in 2001 by drowning in the very same canal the girl had. Creepy. Very creepy, right? The Island of Dolls is now a huge tourist attraction, and locals say that the dolls come to life at night and are haunted by spirits of the dead. Say no more, I ain't going there. Even with these cheap ass coronavirus price flights right now, I'm not going there. Filling our number 7 slot is the oldest ghost. I didn't know we had recorded the ages of the ghosts we knew about. This whole list was news to me, honestly. You've seen the surprise. Now, the oldest ghost in the world resides at Ghost Ranch, which is located in Rio Arriba County, central New Mexico. It holds the record after alleged sightings were reported time and time again, claiming that it's a huge ghosty reptile measuring some 6 to 9 meters long. Locals in the area have named the ghost Bibaron, which means the snake demon. It first became known in 1947 when a paleontologist named Edwin H. Colbert dug up a huge collection of fossils in the same area, all of which belonged to prehistoric reptiles. The discovery led to the speculation that the paranormal snake demon was haunting the area, and people continue to report sightings as the years go by. lie. Now at number 6 is the record of a vehicle running over your body. I feel like I saw Chris Angel do this in like 2006. Near Budapest, there's a festival called the Impossibility Challenger where people gather to try and break crazy Guinness World Records. I would totally go to this, are you kidding me? I may not participate, but I'd avidly watch and support. You know how it is. Hungarian local Attila Banyoi broke a world record by letting a 4-wheel drive vehicle drive over him. The entire thing was filmed, and I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to watch his reaction. How he's able to break the record is by lying down on his back on a cushioned mat with a loading ramp placed on top of his stomach and hips. The car then drives up the ramp and over top of his body with his legs completely untouched underneath the car. Coming in at number 5 is the Plane Man. There is a man in this world called Michel Lotito who is known worldwide as the man who ate an airplane piece by piece. Everyone has their own talents and hobbies. I'm not really sure what to call this one. Talent, hobby, weird. From the age of 9, he spent his life eating dangerous objects like glass and metal, developing an unusual tolerance to it almost. Doctors soon determined that he had an incredibly resilient digestive system with a super thick stomach lining and intestines. They said his body could safely consume just about anything, hence the airplane. He came up with the technique of reducing pieces of metal into smaller pieces so it's easier for his body to handle, and of course kept his throat lubricated with mineral oil. In 1978 he ate an entire Cessna 150 airplane, but it was a long process, taking him 2 years to complete and earn the world record. At number 4 is the most people crammed in a car. This one is particularly scary for anyone who's claustrophobic, but very normal for someone with like 8 siblings. There's a variety of titles for this world record because there are so many different car models, and obviously a record would be different if you're using a tiny smart car versus a minivan or a Jeep, so just bear with me on this one. So each record requires different regulations for the record to be met. But in the Guinness World Records, the record was set for most people crammed into one car. It was set on May 16th, 2015. The car chosen for the attempt was a Toyota RAV4, and it was achieved in Russia. How many people fit in the car, you might be wondering? 41. And yes, the doors and windows were closed. R.I.P. Filling at number 3 slot are the most expensive ghosts. I didn't even know that ghosts had a price, and I swear down I'm not making this list up. Apparently there are 2 vials that contain the exorcised spirits of an old man and a young girl. They were sold at an online auction in March 2010 for approximately $1,300. A woman named Avi Woodbury said the ghosts had been captured in a church home following an exorcism. She claims that one of the spirits belongs to a man named Les Graham who died in the house during the 1920s. The second spirit is a young girl who was summoned by Avi's partner through a Ouija board, which we don't do. I've done part 5, so why we shouldn't do that, okay? The spirits were bottled up by holy water, which is supposedly meant to dull the spirit's energy. I still don't know how legit this one is or whether she really did bottle up these spirits, but I'm just gonna give her the benefit of the doubt here. Now at number 2 is the first implanted head antenna. A man named Niels Harbison earned the record title back in Jan of 2016 after he had an antenna implanted into the back of his skull. The antenna allows him to hear color because it converts light waves into sound waves and transmits them to his inner ear. None of us can deny that would be pretty damn cool to hear what colors sound like. How insane is that? Like, I'd love to know what yellow sounds like. Favorite color? Guilty as charged. Apparently the antenna can also connect to the internet and receive telephone calls. Like, that's some Bluetooth on a whole nother level. Neil is out here living the true Black Mirror life. Someone hold this person back. And finally, at number 1 is the bee body. A beekeeper in China set the Guinness World Record back in 2015 after covering his body with almost 1.1 million bees. Who was the one who even counted those many bees, and how long did it take them? The 55-year-old man named Gao Bingro let the bees crawl on his body, and altogether they weighed a whopping 109 kilograms. That's literally 2 of me. He had his beekeepers pour the insects on his body, and by the end of it he had been stung 2,000 times, causing his body temperature to rise to over 60 degrees Celsius. Good news is that it was worth it to him because he survived and broke the previous record, which was 85 kgs of bees on a human body. And if you think he had protective gear on during the process, he definitely did not. The record is that the bees are on the human body, which means he broke the record while only wearing his underwear. There are videos online. Suggest you see them. Or not. And that is it for today's video, guys. I love world records. Let me know which one surprised you the most in the comments below, and let me know if you've ever tried to break one yourself. As always, I'm your host, Ayman Hassan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Found on Mexico's island of the Dolls, also known as La Isla de las Muñecas. I screwed that up so badly. Let me try that again. Also known as La Isla de las Muñecas. Muñecas. Also known as also known as La Isla de las Muñecas. The collection began when a man called Don Julian Santana Barbera moved there during the 1950s. Barbera. The collection began when a man called Don Julian Santana Barrera was soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven. Locals in the area have named its ghost Vivaron. Locals of the area have named the ghost